Hi you guys, a couple of you messaged me asking what you guys can use to clean your kitchen. So tonight I'm going to show you one of the things that I like to use in the kitchen. This is a 16-ounce amberglass spray bottle. You can get this on Amazon. And this is the OnGuard concentrate cleaner. So these two with 1 teaspoon and water is all you need to make this kitchen cleaner. You don't need to go to the store to spend a lot of money on things to clean your kitchen with. You'll save a lot of money with this recipe. There's no harmful chemicals or toxins. It's super safe for you and your family. It kills bacteria, so it does the job, and it smells great. So let's get started. So basically, you have an empty amberglass 16-ounce spray bottle, and you use 4 teaspoons of the OnGuard cleaner concentrate. And then you fill it up with water. Put the top on, leave some room so that you can shake it up and it doesn't overflow when you put the top on, and you got your kitchen cleaner. 1 bottle makes 18 kitchen cleaner sprays. So talk about saving money.